How to recover permanently deleted photos on an iPhone after a year. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on an iPhone after a year. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, select a photo and tap the bin icon to delete it. If you want to recover it, scroll down to reach the recently deleted folder. Next, use Touch ID to view this album. Then choose the photo or video you want to recover. At the bottom, tap Recover to get it back. To delete it permanently, tap Delete and delete it from all devices. After that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to your Apple account, scroll down, and tap the iCloud option. Here, tap Photos and make sure to toggle on the Sync this iPhone button. Navigate to your browser and search for iCloud. Next, open the iCloud website from the first link. Then tap on Sign In and use your fingerprint to sign in. Once you're done, you will see all the apps with the iCloud backup. Then, open the Photos section from here. All your synced photos will appear, and you can download them back to your device after a year. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.